Newest fight over the sale of the Alpenrose Dairy. It got underway today. Some members of the family that started the dairy trying to sell the business to a Seattle area company, Smith Brothers Farms. But other family members now fighting that potential sale in court. Emily Burris live at the dairy this afternoon with more on who's watching this fight. Emily?
Yeah, Jeff, it is not just employees of the Alpenrose Dairy who are keeping a close eye on this. Also, a lot of community groups who come out to this dairy, like the Oregon Bicycle Racing Association. They're out here for a cycling event tonight. They're watching all of this play out, wondering what they would do if these facilities go away.
Our intent with the property was not to buy it for development.
It was standing room only in a Multnomah County courtroom as a battle began for the future of the Alpenrose Dairy. Employees and other community groups came out to support members of the Kadanoff family fighting against selling the dairy to Seattle-based Smith Brothers Farms.
To come up with a contingency plan to not have this is devastating. You know, we've only kind of toyed with it, and we're like, oh man, we don't know what we're gonna do if this doesn't work out for us, because it's how we keep bike racing accessible in Oregon.
That's because Alpenrose is not just a locally known brand and business, it's become a huge part of the community, hosting Christmas and Easter events every year, along with the softball Little League World Series tournaments and go-kart and bicycle racing events.
The families that own the dairy are just extraordinarily generous to the community. They've never charged any of us anything to use the facilities. They ask for nothing in return.
A potential sale to Smith Brothers Farms is not supposed to include some of the facilities here, but people are worried that with a new group at the helm, the dairy's future and the activities it supports could be on shaky ground.
It's just so unfortunate that both sides of this family are in a lawsuit that seems like it's bringing out some of the worst of some otherwise really, really good people. And all of us just sincerely hope that they can find a way to amicably resolve their disputes.
And both groups will be watching as both sides head back to court tomorrow. Today, the judge told us he does expect this case to likely continue into next week. So KOIN 6 News will continue to follow this. We'll be bringing you updates on air and online. We're live at the dairy tonight. Emily Burris, KOIN 6 News.
Nice job, Emily, on that story. Thank you. And